Are you looking for a smartwatch that is not only stylish, but also incredibly functional and durable? Look no further. The latest Apple Watch Ultra is here to exceed your expectations. Discover the ultimate in durability and functionality, the new Apple Watch Ultra. Introducing the Apple Watch Ultra, the smartwatch designed for athletes and adventurers of all kinds. With its sturdy titanium case, precise fuel frequency GPS, and up to 36 hours of battery life, this smartwatch is the perfect choice for those who want a large, attractive device with all the latest features. Whether you're a deep-sea diver, marathon runner, or just someone who loves the outdoors, this smartwatch is made to withstand even the toughest conditions. The super construction of the titanium case, sapphire crystal top, and ceramic back make this watch a true luxury item. The flat sapphire crystal is protected from edge impacts, and the new casing design around it makes it easier to use, even when wearing gloves. The giant digital crown on the sidewalk's elevation above its rugged exterior is reinforced to meet military standard 810H requirements, making it dust and water resistant up to 100 m. This makes the Apple Watch Ultra perfect for diving and gives you the freedom to explore the depths of the ocean. With a screen size of 149mm by 44mm by 14mm and a weight of only 61 grams, this smartwatch is essentially identical to the previous Apple Watch model. The workout options display the same information and function similarly to its sibling Apple Watches, while the battery life of 36 hours on a single charge is delivered on a battery with 76% more capability than other Apple Watches. This means that you can get up to 3 days of use out of one battery charge, with typical non-extreme work or athletic-related activity. The watch's cellular connectivity and GPS capabilities give you the freedom to stay connected and track your location without the need for your phone. And with up to 36 hours of battery life, you'll never have to worry about running out of power when you're on the go. The Apple Watch Ultra is attractively made with premium components and boasts the best health and safety features, making it the finest alternative for iPhone customers who want the most helpful device. With this smartwatch, you can push your limits and take your performance to the next level. So, why settle for less when you can have the best? Get the Apple Watch Ultra today. The Apple Watch Ultra is the ultimate smartwatch for those who demand nothing but the best. Whether you're an athlete, adventurer, or simply someone who appreciates style and functionality, this watch has everything you need and more. But the Apple Watch Ultra is not just a pretty fit, but also packed with features that make it a must-have for anyone who values health and safety. With its customizable workout options, heart rate monitor, and fall detection, you can track your activity, monitor your heart rate, and receive alerts in case of an emergency. So if you're looking for a smartwatch that combines style, functionality, and durability, look no further than the Apple Watch Ultra. Whether you're an iPhone user or not, this watch is the perfect choice for those who want to stay connected, stay active, and look good doing it. Get yours today and experience the ultimate in smartwatch technology. The Apple Watch Ultra not only looks great, but also provides the best health and safety features for you to push your limits. And for iPhone customers who are looking for the finest smartwatch, the Apple Watch Ultra is a perfect choice. So why settle for less when you can have the best? Get your hands on the latest Apple Watch Ultra today.